Hello friends, welcome to Gifted Lady Cooking Adventure channel, and today we will be making noodles pizza. Firstly, we'll prepare the meat with some onion, ginger and garlic. And the only seasoning we'll be using for this recipe is the seasoning that came with the noodles. To be using the seasoning bit by bit. You don't have to use everything at once. You use, little quantity, then you save the rest for later. Nextly, we are going to shred all the vegetables, then marinate it with some seasoning and egg. We'll also add the seasoning oil to the veggies. Then we'll set that aside while we prepare our noodles. The full details to the recipe is written at the description box below. Please try and check that out. Chili powder, seasoning powder, seasoning oil, and egg. We'll set that aside while we prepare our noodles. Seasoning powder. We are going to parboil the noodles for 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll quickly run that through a sieve. Pour some cold water over it so as to stop the cooking process. Combine the noodles, the veggies, and the boiled meat. We'll combine it, mix it together, and set that aside. After pouring the noodles mixture, I will reduce the heat to the lowest setting of my cooker. Gradually pour in the egg mixture. Make sure it covers every part of the noodles. That will serve as the binder to the noodles. And allow that to cook for 20 to 30 minutes or until the bottom becomes very firm. We want the bottom to be, dried and firm. So it's going to make it easy when you try to flip it over so everything does not separate. The hard bottom of the noodles would prevent it from separating, especially when you try to flip it over to the other side. The noodles at this point is already cooked. We just want the top to be golden brown. Once you've achieved that golden brown texture, noodles pizza is ready to be served. Just cut that into your desired shape and serve it. I really want to say a super big thank you to my viewers, my subscribers, and everyone that has been of support to me. Without you, I can't do this. And I just want you to know I appreciate your efforts. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for clicking into my channel. Thank you. Lot of love. Bye-bye. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.